Why AI works for some but fails for others. Some people say it completely changed how they work. Others say it's useless and overrated. Same technology. Same tools. So why does AI work incredibly well for some people, but fail completely for everyone else? In this video, I'll explain the real reason. And once you see it, you'll never look at AI the same way again. Let's start with a hard truth. AI does not fix bad thinking. It exposes it. Most people expect AI to do the thinking for them. They want instant answers, instant clarity, instant success. That expectation is the problem. AI is not magic. It is not a shortcut. It is not a replacement for thinking. People who struggle with AI usually start the same way. They open an AI tool and type something like, "Help me be more productive. Give me ideas. Tell me how to succeed." On the surface, these questions sound reasonable. But they are actually too vague. AI cannot guess what you really want. It does not know your situation. It does not know your constraints. It only reflects what you give it. If your thinking is unclear, the output will be unclear. Now let's look at people who succeed with AI. They don't start with random questions. They start with intent. They know the exact problem they're solving. They know the outcome they want. And they know what they don't want. So when they talk to AI, they don't ask for answers. They give direction. Here's a simple example. Most people ask, "Write me a resume." Smart users say, "You are a hiring manager. This resume is for a junior role." The goal is to get an interview, not to sound impressive. Focus on clarity and real skills. Avoid buzzwords. Same AI. Completely different result. That's the first difference. The second difference is patience. AI works best through iteration. Not one prompt. Not one response. Smart users refine the output. They say, "Make this simpler. Shorten this. Explain it like I'm new. Rewrite this in plain language." They treat AI like a collaborator, not a vending machine. Most people don't do this. They read the first response, feel disappointed, and quit. So they conclude, AI doesn't work. In reality, they just stopped too early. There's one more misunderstanding that matters a lot. AI is not a shortcut to success. It's a multiplier. If your thinking is clear, AI multiplies that clarity. If your thinking is messy, AI multiplies the mess. That's why AI feels powerful to some people and frustrating to others. It doesn't replace effort. It rewards structure. It doesn't remove thinking. It amplifies it. So if AI hasn't worked for you yet, don't blame the tool. Ask yourself these questions instead. Did I clearly define my goal? Did I explain my context? Did I improve the output step by step? If the answer is no, that's why AI failed. AI works. But only when you work with it. If this video changed how you think about AI, subscribe. This channel isn't about hype or endless tools. It's about understanding AI and using it the right way.